Good morning, people. So I was just requested by one of my friend to solve me one of the question which was recently uh, asked in the practice. He was claiming it was difficult for him to solve. So let's just dive in and see how can we solve this. So one thing which I need you to understand when we solve difficult questions, yes, it may be time consuming at the first time, but we can say once you have the solution, you can consider that as a lesson learned. And now, next time any of such questions are asked during the examination, you can solve that in like less than 1 minute. So, with saying that, let's just jump in for this question. So, this question is saying how many integers between 1 and 10 raised to 21? 10 raised to 21 is really a huge range. Are such the sum of their digits is 2. Okay, so we have to find number of integers with sum of 2. What that means, so if we say 11, so it should be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So like that, if we say 100 and no or 1001, then it will become 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, it will give us 2. So this is what they are asking. There is a one more scenario we can consider, something like 2000. So like 2 plus 0 plus 0, it should be 2. Even if there are like 10, 15 zeros, it will always be 2. So there are only two cases we can think of. Now the range which they have provided us is huge, and solving for this range will be it will take us hours if we just keep solving and keep checking for uh, each number. So, how to do that? So, let's just try and find some approach. Like we know 1 to 10 raised to 21. This is our requirement. What I will do? I will consider 10 raised to 1. What is 10 raised to 1? Means 10. That means I will take two digit numbers. This all writing is just for you to understand. You actually don't have to solve like this in examination. You will perform this calculation super fast, but at least you need to understand what you are doing. That's what my main intention is. So, as I'm saying, 10 raised to 1 is 10, and I'm considering as the range for the two digit number. So, I will say it will start from 10 to 99. Okay, so in between 10 to 99, how many times there is a sum of two digit will be 2. So one is I will say 11, and second I will say 20. After that it's not possible because number will keep increasing. Okay, so here the occurrence of sum of 2 is 2. When I will consider 10 raised to 2, then I will consider 3 digit numbers. So it's from 100 to 999. So here if I say 101, 110 and 200. So occurrence is 3 times. Okay, I hope you understand. But let's go back and check the two digit number range. It starts with 10 and it goes up to 99. What about 1 to 9, which are our one digit numbers? So I will say 10 raised to 0. Okay, in this specific scenario, 2 is the only number which we can say 0 2, and we can say sum is 2. So occurrence is only once. Now you see the relation here. It's keep on increasing by one number as soon as we increase the power of 10. So let's perform this one more time, where we will do 10 raised to 3. So it will become 4 digit number. So here I will consider 1000 to 9999. So how many numbers are there? So I will say 1001, 1010, 1100, okay, and 2000. So how many occurrence? 4. So there are 4 occurrence. What we understand from this? So each time we increase the power, the occurrence is increasing. Okay. So what will happen if we perform 10 raised to 20? So that will become some 21 digit number. And I'm not gonna write all this here, but occurrence will be 21, which I can understand from, like, for 2 occurrence was 3, for 1 occurrence was 2. So for this specific case, when the 20 power is there, occurrence of sum of integers, which is 2, will be 21 times. Okay. And when we consider 10 raised to 21, so just we have to remember this. So our limit is 10 raised to 21. So we are not going beyond this specific number. And this specific number, if we add this, like 1 plus 21 zeros, 1 plus 21 zeros, I don't know how to write that, but yeah, I have to either write or something like that. That will still give us 1, and it will never give us 2. So we will not consider that value here. So this will be our final step when it's 21. Okay. So we can say it's like a increasing number. So how we can find the sum of all this increasing number? We have formula for that. Now let's move forward with sum of nth term. So we know sum of nth terms is equal to, this will be the number of terms into first term plus nth term divided by 2. Okay. So for this specific question, what is our n? So we have completely 21 terms here. I will consider from 0 to 20, which is 20, which are 21. And our first term was 1, and our nth term was 21 divided by 2. So answer for that will be this 21 plus this 1 here will become 22 divided by 2 will become 11. So 21 multiplied by 11, which will give us 21 multiplied by 10. If we do, then it's 210, and 11 means plus 21, that will give us 231. So 231 is the answer, and then here our answer E is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope you understand these questions, and I understand it took us long time to solve this, because I have performed all this calculation just to make sure you understand the process of solving this kind of questions. So the most important thing I will say, to find these numbers. Once we have the increment numbers, we can just perform the calculation with the nth sum of nth term. So this is the way to solve this question. I hope everyone will understand this, and everyone will solve these questions in future faster. And it will be always good to practice, and that's how you will become fast. Okay, thank you very much, and best of luck for your exams.